Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every week, like and subscribe my channel. So our next topic is what is abstract class. If we are talking about implementation but not completely, then we should go for abstract class. In abstract class, we might have abstract method and concrete method also. This is the examples of abstract class, generic servlet and HTTP servlet. These are like abstract class. Okay. What do you mean by abstract class? If we don't know, if we are talking about implementation, it means we are talking about implementation but not completely. We don't know the complete implementation. It means we are implementing only the partial implementation. We know the partial implementation only, not completely. Then we should go for abstract class. And you know the concept of interface na? Previously we deal that one interface. So in interface, that is everything is abstract, 100% pure abstract class is interface. But in case of abstract class, it is partial implementation. Partial implementation, it means we know about implementation but not completely. Then it called partial implementation. So in our we have any requirement that we know the partial implementation, so at that time we can go for abstract class. Okay. In abstract class, we might have abstract method and concrete method also. So in interface, before this we see that in interface every method is abstract, but in case of abstract class, we might have abstract method and concrete method also. It means in abstract class we have we might have both the methods. We have concrete method also, and we have abstract method also. Okay. So this is the concept of abstract class. For better clarification, now we move to our practical session. Okay. So this one is the example of abstract class. So this is the bike class, which one is abstract class, and in this bike class we have abstract method. Okay, abstract void run. So we create a test class and extend that abstract class. So we need to provide implementation of this abstract method. Okay, so we provide implementation of this abstract method, which one is void run. So when we call this method, we get that running safely. Okay. When we run this program, then we got that running safely. So you might have a doubt that in interface also we have this similar like this one, because in interface also we have 100% pure abstract is called interface, and abstract class you see this one also. In abstract class also we have 100% it is also 100% abstract. So what is the you might have questioned that what is the difference between this abstract and interface. So remember that point. In interface, 100% abstract class is called interface. Okay. And in interface we have only abstract method. Okay. But in case of abstract class, in abstract class we have abstract method also, and we have our concrete method also. So we create a concrete method. Okay. So this one is the concrete method. Concrete method, it means method with its definition, method with its implementation is called concrete method. So in case of abstract class, we have abstract method also, and we have concrete method also. Okay. So in case of interface, we have only abstract method, not concrete method. Okay, so this one is the difference between interface and abstract. So now we have abstract in this abstract class, we have abstract method also, this one, and we have concrete method also, this one. Okay, so in this concrete method we print this one sleeping. Okay. So when we call this one, and when we run this application, run this program, we got that running shapely and sleeping as a output. Okay. So I think you might you have cleared that what is the abstract, what is the interface, and what is the difference between that. So I can note that in interface 100% abstract, 100% abstract class is called interface. And in case of abstract class, we have abstract method also, and we have concrete method also. Okay, thank you.